Alright, this is the video tutorial for the SAM Project 6B. This is the Northwest Children's Hospital. Let's go ahead and jump right on in. We're going to open up the data file for this one. So let's go to wherever you store your data files. And we're going to open up the 6B, your name. There it is, _1. Open it up and then do right away, let's do a file save as, and then wherever you save your assignments, you're going to want to save that and change the file name to _2. And this one is, and again, you can just call yours _2. I'm going to change mine to add video on it because it's part of the video. Alright, so just like the last project that we did for this one, we're going to go ahead. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our Layout tab, change the orientation to Portrait to correspond with standard letter protocol. And then let's go ahead and select this 5-paragraph list. Go to our Insert tab, Table, Convert Text to Table, a 2x5 column with an auto fit tab separation. Click OK, and there we go. We're going to go ahead and apply the grid Table 4 Accent 6 style. So here's our grid Table 4 Accent 6 is way over here at the end. Alright, and then now we're going to go ahead and start our mail merge. So the Mailings tab, Start Mail Merge, Step-by-Step Wizard. We're going to use Create Letters. We're going to use this current document, and then we're going to type a new list, create that list, create our customized columns. And let's go ahead and customize this. We're going to eliminate the company name. We are going to eliminate the country or region. We are going to eliminate the work phone. We're going to eliminate, oopsie, you'd eliminate the work one. We're going to change this anyway, so it doesn't make a difference. And the email address. Alright, we're going to go ahead and change the zip code field to postal code. So zip code, rename it. Just double click on zip, change that to postal, OK. And then we're going to, if you have the home phone here, that's fine. We're going to rename it, and all we're doing is we're going to eliminate the work or home, whatever one you have left. Click OK. Then we're going to add one more field after this called interest. OK. Set that, and let's go ahead and enter the data. So our first record is going to be for Mr., and his name is Ronald Diaz. His address is 28 Broad Drive. He has no address line 2. His city is Boise, Idaho ID. His postal code is 83708. His home phone, or his phone number, is area code 208-555-1977, and his interest is messenger services. And just remember to make sure you spell all these correctly. The next record will be for Ms. Kate Bell. Her address is 873 Larch Street, and her address line 2 is capital APT period 220, apartment 220. She is from Caldwell, Idaho ID. Her postal code is 83605, and her phone number is 208-555-2062. And her interest is in clerical support. Alright, so let's go ahead and say OK. And we're going to save this. You can call it whatever you want. Doesn't make a difference because once you're done with it, you're done with it. And I'm going to call mine Northwest Video. Okay, and I am going to just do a quick edit because I want to get rid of this blank field. Alright, we're going to update that. Okay, and now while we're here, we've got this open. Let's go ahead and filter this because we're going to filter it by people who are interested in only clerical services. So field interest equals to, and then this one clerical with a capital C services. And then just make sure you spell that correct, because if it's not spelled correctly, we're like mine, you won't have any records. So let me go ahead and I'm going to edit this to make sure I spelled clerical. Oh, I think I typed clerical services, that's why, and it's clerical support. So let me do this filter again. Yes, so clerical support. Sorry about that. My bad. There we go, Kate's there. Okay, good. Okay, alright. Now we can go ahead and start putting this letter together. So click here to insert a date. We're going to go ahead and choose that date picker and change to August 2021 is the month we want. And we are going to pick August 27. On our inside address, we're going to go ahead, let's go write our letter. We're going to insert an address block. And we're going to use the Mr. Joshua Randall Jr. format. Go ahead and say OK. And then we're going to eliminate that placeholder text. Select our insert greeting line. Click on greeting line, and we're choosing the Dear Mr. Randall, comma. OK. And then we're going to eliminate that placeholder text there. We're going to go down to the paragraph below that table. Select the text for interest, and we're going to go ahead and insert a merge field for interest, and just make sure that you don't have those brackets before or after your text. Alright, so if you want to go do a quick save while we're here, go ahead. Alright, our next step is to complete our mail merge as instructed. So let's go ahead and next we're going to preview our letters. We've only got one to Kate Bell. Alright. And let's complete our mail merge. Edit individual letters, all of them. And then here's Kate's letter. I'm going to turn off my formatting marks, do a Control-A to select all text, copy it, and then I'm going to close this without saving it. Don't save. Come back to my name _2. We're going to go down to page 2. Put our insertion point here. We're going to Home tab, paste. Again, come up to the bottom of page 2, right before that page break, and delete, 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 to leave one space after it. And there it is. So here's our, let's go ahead and make sure we turn off our preview marks. So we've got this one that has the address block. This one has the actual text of the letter. And that's how we want it. So you can go ahead and save that one. And that project is ready for submission.